The installation of diagnostic centers is becoming more and more necessary, given the economic and demographic growth in Africa, associated with a significant delay in terms of medical imaging techniques, and in particular sectional imaging, scanner, and MRI scan. This causes a lot of loss of qualified personnel, both Africans and expatriates. Teleimaging offers several advantages. The possibility by means of this technique of limiting the number of medical transfers or emergency repatriation. The possibility by means of this technique of limiting the number of medical transfers or emergency repatriation. The possibility of treating pathological conditions such as stroke, the diagnosis and treatment of which must be initiated within 6 hours. The possibility to medical care of patients with the pathology in the native country and to supervise medical transfer and facilitate access to care. Tunisia has an important platform in terms of clinical medical equipment, able to take care of both the African patient and expatriates, as well as to centralize medical repatriation initially to Tunisia. It happened until today towards a European destination where the access to the care becomes more and more difficult and expensive. We offer several formulas. The first one is to well participate in the teleradiology platform in the diagnostic activity in both private and public radiology centers. The second possibility is to participate in the investment and installation of diagnostic centers in Africa. Intervene in on-site staff training and in image quality control, as well as in protocols facilitating optimal patient management. Indeed, the installation of these centers could also allow the team on-site to avail oneself of medical expertise and assisted by Tunisian skills. It's true that installed diagnostic centers and benefit from teleradiology or African patients remain limited by the problem of transfers of money and lack. We believe that in the long term, more global cooperation in the medical sector between Tunisia and its African environment could lead to a radical change in patient care. Investing in the medical sector is becoming more and more necessary to improve the experience of Africans and favor the establishment of the development of economic activity even for foreign companies.